In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Shadow Heart here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you need to make your way over to Sailor Island because this is actually where the bosses appear. So teleport, over to Sailor Island, and once you're here, make your way into the main area. And what you're looking for right here is the spot where the Vampire King or the Solo Hunter can spawn. Now you need to farm the Solo Hunter boss right here, and as you can see, Solo Hunter actually drops the Shadow Heart for about a 5.24%. It is a little rare. Let's see if we get it right here. I don't think we did. We did not. That is unfortunate. But essentially, you need to go ahead and keep farming that boss. Now, the only annoying process about this is that the boss spawns in every other time. So it's like a 10-minute wait if you wait the entire time. Sometimes even a 12-minute late. So what I would recommend doing is just, server hopping whenever you have the ability to. But that's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.